Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Wireshark 4.6.2 on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website. It is wireshark.org to download. Click on download or download now, both are same. See here the words leading network protocol analyzer. See here the latest stable release is 4.6.2. For Windows, to click on this 6 installer. For Ubuntu, you have to click on here, and old stable release is 4.4.12. Okay, if you want to see the documentation for practice, you have to click on this documentation. Okay, so click on this Windows x64 installer to download. No need to restart. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, the size is about 92 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this Wireshark 4.6.2 exe file. Click on next. See, this is the license agreement. Just click on notate. Click on next. See, these are the components. Okay, by default it has selected Wireshark, T-Shark, ETW, dump. And if you want optionally install Android, SSH dump, Cisco dump, Wi-Fi dump and UDF dump, we have to select, or just unselect this one and select all, then click on next. If you want to create shortcuts for start menu or desktop icon, you have to select the check boxes. It is up to you, whatever you want you can select, then click on next to install. See, this is a installation directory. If you want some other directory, click on browse and select the directory. Okay, I'm okay with the default, so click on next. If you want to install Npcap, we have to select this checkbox, then click on next. If you want to install USB key cap, you have to select this one, and this is the version of the USB key cap. Click on install. See, installation has been started. This is the output folder. This is going to install Npcap. Select I agree. Okay. Select whatever you want, then click on install. Npcap installation completed. Click on next. Finish. USB P cap. Select the license segment by selecting this checkbox and click on next. Again, check license agreement, click on next. Next, this is the installation location, click on install. It is done. Close this one. See, now it is completing the Wireshark installation. Quick installation is completed. Click on next. Your computer must be restarted to complete the installation of Wireshark 4.6.2. Do you want to reboot now? I don't want, so I will reboot later. So select I want to manually reboot later, then click on finish. Now go to all applications, go to the Wireshark application. See here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, we got the Wireshark application. Now we can capture the packets by providing here target or select this, and you have to click on this start capturing packets, and you see here we have the different options. Okay, help, about Wireshark. See, we have installed 4.4.6.2. you can go through documentation and see here user document, all documentation. Okay, you can go through this documentation and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to install stable release of Wireshark 4.6.2 on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.